Hi again. This time it's a departure from my animal paintings. I have always been intrigued by the Paisley pattern, and I've been reading a bit about the background of it, and apparently it originated in Persia, but it's been well received all over the world, and there's even a town in Scotland called Paisley. Anyway, the other day I thought I would just try my hand at seeing if I could make a seamless pattern, and yeah, it turned out pretty nice. And I thought you might like to see how I go about creating this seamless pattern of Persian painting, creating a Persian pattern. No, what was it? A Persian Paisley pattern. That's right. Try saying that 10 times fast. Now let's start. Using the symmetry tool, I divided the canvas into 4 segments and filled it with teardrop shapes. Embellish these shapes with colours and designs. Fill the layer below with a dark colour. Merge the 2 layers and save the image. Now going to the Fill tool, choose Pattern and select Load from Disk. You now have the pattern uploaded and ready for use. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if there's something you would like me to cover.